Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever scrolled through your feed and seen headlines like AI steals thousands of jobs? It's scary, right? You might think, is my job next? But what if I told you there is an other side of the story? Here is the truth. AI is not here to replace everyone. It's here to create opportunities for those who are ready to grab them. Think about it. When internet came around, people thought it would kill jobs. Instead, it created millions of new ones. The same thing happened with e-commerce and remote work. So this time, AI is rewriting the rules, and guess what? You are not just a spectator, you are a part of the story. Welcome to CodeViz Lab, where I help you take control of your future with AI and technology. Hi everyone, I'm so glad you are here. This is my first video and I cannot wait to share what's coming next. Today we will talk about how AI is changing jobs right now. What is the future of work looks like? A step-by-step plan to start your journey with AI tools and skills. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how to take your career to the next level even if you are a total beginner. Let's dive in. First, let's take a quick look at history. Every time a new technology comes along, people panic. In the 1980s, they thought spreadsheets would replace accountants. Instead, accounting jobs grew by 39%. In the late 90s, they said e-commerce would eliminate retail, but it created millions of jobs in the areas like logistics and online marketing. And when remote work became popular in 2020, some thought company culture would die. But now, there is a 250% increase in remote management roles. See the pattern. Technology doesn't destroy jobs, it changes them. So instead of fearing AI, let's learn how to use it. AI is already changing the game in so many fields. Here are a few examples. First, let's talk about programming. Tools like GitHub Copilot help the coder to write better and faster. According to a report, developers using AI are 65% more productive. Second, data science. Ever wonder how Netflix seems to know what you will watch next? That is AI-powered data analysis. Companies are hiring more data scientists than ever to manage these systems. Third, it's creative field. Designers using AI tools like Midjourney and Delphi complete projects 75% faster and get rave reviews from the clients. This is not about AI is taking over, it's about you are working smarter and focusing on what humans do best, like creativity, strategy, and innovation. So what do you think? How could AI help you in your field? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's look ahead. In the next few years, new jobs will pop up, jobs we can't even imagine yet. Here are just a few examples. The first one is AI integration architects. They design systems that combine human expertise with AI. Secondly, digital ethic officers. They make sure AI tools align with values and principles. Thirdly, it's human AI operations specialists. They help teams work effectively with AI. These roles didn't exist a year ago and they pay well. Imagine being a part of this exciting future. What kind of a jobs do you think will emerge because of AI? Let's brainstorm in the comments. Now, let's dive into the most exciting part. How do you get started? Here is a simple roadmap you can follow. First, learn Python basics. Python is a beginner friendly and super powerful for AI. In just 2 weeks, you can build your first AI app. Secondly, master AI tools. Learn how to use AI powered platforms like ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot to speed up your work. Thirdly, practice data visualization. Tools like Power BI and Tableau can help you tell stories with data. It's an essential skill in 2025. Fourth one is build a portfolio. Work on real world projects to show off your skills. Even a simple AI chatbot can impress a recruiter. Fifth one, get certified. Focus on industry recognized certifications like AWS AI Specialty, Google AI Enterprise Architect, or Microsoft Azure AI. So these are the different platforms that you can follow and take it step by step. Your future self will thank you. Once you have nailed the basics, here is how to go even further. Specialize in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, or generative AI. Join different communities of AI to learn and grow together. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools. You will always be a one step ahead. The key is consistency. Keep learning, experimenting, and pushing yourself. This is my first video on this channel. I'm so excited to have you here at the start of this journey, and I would love your support. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me for upcoming videos filled with tools, tips, and courses to help you succeed in the world of AI and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to CodeViz Lab, where code meets creativity. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and experimenting new things.